This tutorial shows how to use Juno Docs, which are for students to turn in writing assignments. Juno Docs are simple text documents that let teachers insert comments directly into the text, so they are faster to grade. To start a Juno Doc, students from their login go to the My File screen. Then they click New/Upload a new Juno Doc. Then they will type directly into Jupyter. Note they can also add a title here. Juno Docs are intentionally limited to bold, italics, and underline, with no other formatting, so the focus is on composition. Alternatively, students can paste text from another app like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, but that might lose any bold, italic, and underlines. Once done, they click Turn In, or click Save so they may finish it later, or this last menu lets them save as a draft. Once saved, to continue working on a Juno Doc, they simply double-click it. When students turn in Juno Docs, you will see an asterisk next to the assignment name. Go to Grades, Turn In/Rubric, then select the assignment. Choose a student here, then you will see their Juno Doc on the right side. To insert comments, select any text, and then this palette pops up. Click one of these shortcuts for common comments, like punctuation or capitalization. Or click a word and then Write. You can then add longer comments or any customized ones. Green is for good comments, and pink is for corrections and criticism. Note you should just click a word to select it. That's much faster than trying to select the individual letters. You may customize your own comments on the Setup Comments screen. While looking at essays, you can click Anonymous so you don't see the student's name while you are grading. When you are done commenting, students will see an asterisk by their Juno Doc. They can click it and then open to see your comments. Peer reviews can be done with Juno Docs. These can be initiated by the student or the teacher. For students to initiate it, they click here and then choose Share for Review. Then they type a student's name or anyone's email address, even someone who is not a student, like a parent or a tutor. The reviewer will be notified, then they insert comments just like teachers do, and when they are done reviewing, the student author is notified so they can see the comments. Likewise, teachers can initiate peer reviews, where the whole class exchanges papers randomly. Go to Grades, Turn In Rubrics. Then, select the assignment. On this screen, click Peer Reviews. Specify the number of reviews each student should do, and optionally, make the author's name anonymous. Click Exchange, and then OK. On the student's My Files screen, students will see any peer reviews waiting for them. They can click, and then click to insert comments, just like teachers do. Once done, click Save and Close, and the author will see their review is ready on their My Files screen. If you want to see the peer reviews, tell the students to turn in their peer reviews. See the help guide for more detail about peer reviews.